Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. My name is Doug. I'm an independent insurance broker here at San Diego, and I have created a system. I don't know, I'm not sure if it's unique by any means. It's just something that I've really paid attention to. I am very analytical. I spent 10 years at the second largest insurance company you would see just about any time you turn on your TV. But when they put me into underwriting, it really got me in a way of thinking. They mean that certain values represent certain things. And when I became independent, it really put a lot of that into perspective. So, are you looking for easy refi opportunities? Wouldn't you love if the clients you already have a rapport with would automatically find their way back to you? What if you could be the first person that comes to mind when the last client's neighbor decides to sell or refinance? I have a solution. It's the Referral Partner Value System, and it is based on how we underwrite the policies yearly by asking questions about life changes. Here is an overview of how the system works. Let's say you have a client named Joe Schmo that will be closing escrow in 30 days. You put it into your unique link that I give you. It goes into a funnel in my system, and it goes two ways. The first way is we automatically shoot out a text and email within 3 minutes to Joe. Secondly, you are copied on this information. So that means if I don't receive a response, you'll see we are still waiting on Joe. So, when Joe becomes a client, and his policy is in force, what's going to happen is, he's going to go down two paths. He's going to go down a passive path and a reactive path. Now, I want you to go back for a second, because when you put Joe into the pipeline, the unique link that I've created for you, it tags Joe as your client. So Joe is you. So that comes back into play right here. Because passive, of course, we're going to send the monthly newsletters. We're going to send the yearly review. But in the yearly review, we're going to notify them of the team that helped them close their new home, bringing you back into play. This is highly customized and asks many questions disguised as underwriting requests, further extending outside to your other referral partners. I will discuss this personalization with you in more detail. Reactive. This is where things get really interesting, and this is what I like. So when a client calls in and they ask for a COI, a binder, a deck page, EOI, evidence of insurability, certificate of insurance, these are not everyday words, right? Proof of insurance may be for auto, but not for these. So what does that mean? Two specific ways. They have a claim, or they will be doing a refi. My system will knock out the claim right away. Refi comes into play right now because it could be 1 year, or even 5 years later after the close of the loan. They're tagged to you. Hey, remember Joe that we closed in October of 2020? He's requested a COI from me. Probably because he's in the market to refinance his house. Or maybe he's in the market to do something else. It gives you a second opportunity to reach out to Joe, who you've already done business with, and he trusts you. This is an infinite value. What it does brings the client full circle throughout the system. Beyond the memory, now it says, hey, reach out to them. I hope that you can see the value. Some key facts about why this system works. 77% are happy with their realtor. 74% said they would use the same realtor again. Yet only 9% will end up using the same realtor. And sadly, 12% won't remember the name of their agent. The average buying cycle is 5 to 8 years, well outside of most follow-up by agents. But not for insurance brokers. We tend to keep clients much longer and communicate more frequently. Lenders. And it's not limited to agents. Only 3% of past clients use the same lender. Typically, the loan is sold 90 days after funding, eliminating many company touchpoints. The best part is, there is no cost to the referral partner. The referral plan only stops when you leave the industry, I leave the industry, or referred client leaves. We cannot protect your clients if we have not met your clients. The first step is to get them onboarded. Reach out to me today.